Breaking news on the broadcast, we're given to understand that there's a cryptic messaging between Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka D.K. Shivkumar and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, which seems to be continuing even as the Congress High Command got both leaders to meet for breakfast to sort out this issue. This time, the cryptic messages were delivered while both were present on stage at a government event in Hassan, and it was once again about keeping up the given word. D.K. Shivkumar, during his speech, told the party workers that one's words should be measured. Let's take a look at some of the reactions we're getting in for you.
ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ರೂಪವನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನ ಪರ್ವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಜ್ಜಾಗೋಣ. ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಬದುಕು ಶಾಶ್ವತವಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುವ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಶಾಶ್ವತ. ಮಾತು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಕಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಧಾನವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಹುಟ್ಟುವಾಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಿ ಕೈನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅನೇಕ ಪಾಪ ಪುಣ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಗುಡ್ಡೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ದೇವರು ವರನೂ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಾಪನೂ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ. ಆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ.
ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಮಾತು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಾತು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಿನಂತೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಹುಶಃ ನಿಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ರಾಜಕೀಯಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
And CNN News 18's Harish Upadhyay now joins us for more on this. Harish, a very good morning to you. First of all, walk us through what these cryptic messages are, and then, walk us through what kind of message are they sending through this?
Continuation of what's happened over the last couple of weeks. We all can recollect the fight that happened, or cryptic messages that were exchanged on platform X by the Chief Minister's handle and the Deputy Chief Minister's handle. D.K. Shivkumar had spoken about how word power is world power. Later on, you had the Chief Minister's handle responding to that. Perhaps this is a continuation in that whole series. This was at an event in Hassan where the Deputy Chief Minister, in fact, spoke about how there needs to be a new shape and energy given, and people should be prepared for that. He also spoke about how words should be something that's measured, and the work is something that should be primary, and this is of utmost importance. And he also said, remember, there was a statement that the Chief Minister had made saying that politics is not permanent, and the Deputy Chief Minister, in a way indicating or hinting at that, said that our lives are not permanent. What we leave behind when we pass away is what is permanent. So clearly, there has been a lot of back and forth in a very cryptic manner. This happened on a day when the High Command had met in Delhi to discuss the leadership tussle in Karnataka. It's a significant development. It's an admission by the Congress High Command that there is definitely confusion as far as leadership in Karnataka is concerned that needs to be addressed. Although that meeting did not reach a conclusion as such, but definitely one would assume that the ball has been set rolling as far as making a decision on this matter is concerned.
Right. Harish, speaking of the High Command, I also wish to understand how are they going to, now interpret these public exchanges, these public cryptic messages?
So the High Command will understand that if they do not go ahead and decide on this matter, this is only going to escalate. Remember, the Deputy Chief Minister maintains, or his side maintains, that there was a promise made to him that he would be made the Chief Minister after 2.5 years. That tenure is over now. The Congress High Command needs to tell what next for D.K. Shivkumar. should they perhaps have to decide and tell him on when they'll elevate him, or if there is going to be some delay that needs to be conveyed. Otherwise, if this is left in a limbo, this tension will continue and this will only embarrass the Congress party. Perhaps the party will also have to understand the kind of contribution made by both these leaders and then handle it in a sensitive manner because remember, there is another 2.5 years to go, after which there will be an election, and the Congress party wouldn't want to be in absolute disarray when they face that election in 2028.
All right, Harish, thank you so much for shedding light on that perspective. And with